हेलो स्टूडेंट, सो हम 1.3 के सेकेंड टाइप के एग्जांपल्स आगे बढ़ाते हैं। देखिए, इसमें थर्ड टाइप का एग्जांपल देखे हैं कि log ऑफ x टू द पावर x माइनस cos x टू द पावर log x। सो हमें इसका डिफ्रेंशिएशन निकालना है। सो मैंने अगर इसको x u कंसिडर कर लिया और इसको मैंने v कंसिडर कर लिया तो ये हो जाएगा y इज इक्वल टू u माइनस v। ओके सर, नाउ वी डिफ्रेंशिएट दिस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x, so this is dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. Okay, so we label this as a number 1. Now let us see, student, here u is equal to log of x to the power x we have given. So function to the power function we have given, so we cannot find its derivative directly, so we take log on both sides. So if we take log, this is log of u, this is log of x to the power x, is it? So this is log of u is equal to, again if we are using here exponent law, then this x can be written here into log of x. Okay student, now let us see, if we consider this as a one function and this as a one function, then there is a product of two different functions we have given. So while taking here differentiation, remember we have to use here product rule. Okay, so we differentiate this function with respect to x. So derivative of log of u is 1 by u du by dx is equal to, now product of two functions we have given, so we write here first function derivative of second function. So we find derivative directly here. log of function का derivative क्या होता है? 1 divided by function into derivative of log of x, that is 1 by x, is it? देखिए, मैंने पहला वाला फंक्शन एज इट इज़ रखा हुआ है, यहाँ पे डेरिवेटिव मैंने लिया है log of log x का. सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log ऑफ फंक्शन इज व्हाट? 1 डिवाइडेड बाय फंक्शन इनटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फंक्शन, मतलब log x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? वो 1 बाय x होता है. देन प्लस वी राइट सेकेंड फंक्शन एज इट इज, दैट इज log ऑफ log x, एंड नाउ वी हैव टू टेक द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फर्स्ट फंक्शन. सो x का डेरिवेटिव होता है 1, तो ये हो जाएगा 1. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो यहाँ पे du बाय dx की वैल्यू हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है. इसमें से u हम अगर राइट साइड में शिफ्ट कर देते तो वो मल्टीपल हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे x और x कैंसिल होके पहला वाला टर्म सिर्फ बचेगा 1 बाय log x, और सेकेंड वाला टर्म बचेगा log ऑफ log x. ओके, सो नाउ वी पुट हेयर द वैल्यू ऑफ u इज इक्वल टू, इट इज log x टू द पावर x, एंड दिस इज 1 डिवाइडेड बाय log x प्लस log ऑफ log x. Okay, so this is our du by dx. The same way we find dv by dx. So v equals to, we have given cos x to the power log of x, taking log on both sides. So this is log of v is equal to log of cos of x to the power log of x. Again we use here exponent law, so this can be written as log of x into log of cos x. Again student, we have to use our product rule because the multiplication of two functions we have given here. Okay, so now let us see, we differentiate this with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x. So the derivative of log of v is 1 by v into dv by dx is equal to, now the product of two function given. So if we consider this as a first function and this as a second, so accordingly by product rule, first function, that is log of x, and derivative of second function is over log of cos x. Okay, plus second function, that is log of cos x into derivative of first function, that is log x. Okay student, now let us see, is equal to, this is we write log of x, then derivative of log of cos x, log of function का डेरिवेटिव होता है 1 बाय फंक्शन इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फंक्शन, मतलब cos x का डेरिवेटिव क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस साइन x. सो ध्यान में रखना है कि ये ब्रैकेट में लिखना है हमें, क्योंकि यहाँ पे नेगेटिव साइन आया. प्लस दिस इज log of cos x एंड इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log x is 1 डिवाइडेड बाय x. ओके, सो मैं यहाँ से ये जो v था इसको शिफ्ट कर देता हूँ. सो dv बाय dx इज इक्वल टू, v को मैंने यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर दिया. यहाँ पे देखिए माइनस साइन एक्स डिवाइडेड बाय कॉस एक्स है, ये तो माइनस में आगे ले लूँगा, बट साइन बाय कॉस इज इक्वल टू टैन होता है, तो मैं ये पहले लॉग एक्स लिख लूँगा और साइन डिवाइडेड बाय कॉस के जगह मैं टैन एक्स लिख लेता हूँ। ठीक है स्टूडेंट, सो आई एम टेकिंग हेयर माइनस, आई एम राइटिंग हेयर लॉग ऑफ एक्स एंड साइन एक्स डिवाइडेड बाय कॉस एक्स इज व्हाट, टैन एक्स, देन प्लस log of cos x divided by x also you can say. Okay, so now we put the value of what, v. So v is equal to, that was cos x to the power log x, so we write here cos x to the power log of x. This is minus log of x tan of x plus log of cos x divided by x. Is that so? So this way we can find the derivative of v. Now we have to find dy by dx. So we put both the values, that is du by dx and dv by dx in equation number 1. So dy by dx is equal to, so this is equation number 1 implies actually du by dx is equal to, we put the value of du by dx, this value we put here. Okay, so this is log of x whole to the power x, this is 1 divided by log x plus log of log x, so this is our du by dx. Then there is a minus sign we have given student, this is minus sign we have, so while putting here the value of dv by dx you have to change the signs. So this is minus, this is we can write cos x to the power log x and multiplied by, I am writing here continuously minus. So because this is a negative term, we write firstly this is log of cos x divided by x, log of cos x divided by x, and then we write this is negative log of tan x. This is just the arrangement, you can write this way also. If there is a negative you write secondly, and you write the positive term firstly. Okay, so this way we find the derivative of given function just by putting the value of du by dx and dv by dx here. Okay, so this type of question may be asked for 3 marks, right? So these all are very important, so practice well and try to find some examples given in the exercise. There are some examples given in the solved type, that also you can try at your home. So I am solving here the next example, it is 8th number example. Okay, and left of the example you try at your home, because all are identical examples given here, there is nothing to do. So we have to find derivative of given function at x is equal to pi by 4. Okay, so let us see. So y is equal to tan x to the power tan x to the power tan x. Okay, so now initially we find the derivative and then finally we put x is equal to pi by 4. Okay, so because this is function to the power function to the power function, it is very obvious to we have to take log on both sides. So this is log of tan x to the power tan x. Okay, so by using log, this is exponent log, we can write here tan x, this is log of tan x to the power tan x. Okay student, we are using here log, so by exponent law this tan x we can write here, and this is log of tan x to the power tan x. Again if we use here the exponent law, again we can write here tan x. So this is log of y is equal to tan x into, this is tan x into log of tan x, because there is a log of function to the power function somewhat we have given like this. So by using exponent law we can take this is tan x here, but the multiplication of tan x into tan x is what, tan square x into this is log of tan x. Okay sir, now we differentiate this with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. So this is 1 by y dy by dx is equal to first function into derivative of this function. So directly we find derivative, log of function का derivative होता है 1 by function into derivative of function, तो tan x का derivative होता है sec square x, and then plus we write the second function as it is, that is log of tan x. ओके स्टूडेंट, और डेरिवेटिव लेते हैं फर्स्ट फंक्शन का, तो tan स्क्वायर एक्स का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा, पहले तो 2 आगे आ जाएगा, ठीक है, ये 2 आगे आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, और उसके बाद क्या होगा, ये tan x का डेरिवेटिव होगा, मतलब ये हो जाएगा 2 tan x इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ tan x इज़ वॉट सेक स्क्वायर x। ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे कुछ कॉमन है, जैसे यहाँ पे सेक स्क्वायर x कॉमन है। ठीक है, तो ये हम कॉमन ले सकते हैं, और यहाँ पे एक tan x जैसे कैंसिल होता है तो यहाँ पे tan x बचेगा, तो tan x इंटू सेक स्क्वायर x दोनों इसमें कॉमन है, तो वो हम बाहर लेके आएंगे। सो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा ये 1/y dy बाई डी एक्स इज़ इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे मैं tan x और सेक स्क्वायर x को बाहर लेके आता हूँ, तो यहाँ पे बचेगा, देखिए स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पे एक tan x इसके साथ कैंसिल हुआ था, तो यहाँ पे tan x और सेक स्क्वायर x मैंने पूरा का पूरा बाहर निकाला, तो यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं बचा, मतलब 1 बच जाएगा यहाँ पे। सो प्लस यहाँ से ये 2 tan x और सेक स्क्वायर x बाहर निकल गया, तो 2 log ऑफ tan x बच गया। सो 2 log ऑफ tan x। ओके स्टूडेंट, अब हम क्या करते हैं, देखिए यहाँ पे कि इस y को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर देते हैं। सो हमें यहाँ पे वैल्यू मिल जाएगी dy बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू y मल्टीप्लाइड बाय tan x इंटू सेक स्क्वायर x, एंड दिस इज 1 प्लस 2 log ऑफ tan ऑफ x। ठीक है, सो दिस इज dy बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू, y की वैल्यू हम पुट करते हैं यहाँ पे, y इज इक्वल टू क्या था हमारा, ये था tan ऑफ x tan ऑफ x tan ऑफ x। ठीक है, सो मैं यहाँ पर लिख देता हूँ tan ऑफ x टू द पावर tan ऑफ x टू द पावर tan ऑफ x, and this is tan of x sec square x and 1 plus 2 log of tan of x. Okay, now we have to find the derivative at point x is equal to pi by 4. So we put here x is equal to pi by 4. That means we have to find the derivative of given function at x is equal to pi by 4. So on the right hand side, wherever be the x we have given, we have to put x is equal to pi by 4. So this is tan of pi by 4. This is tan of again pi by 4, and its power again a tan of pi by 4. This is tan of pi by 4. This is sec square pi by 4, and this is, I am writing here 1 plus 2 times tan of pi by 4. Okay student, so all this value we put here, just in place of x we have to put pi by 4 pi by 4 pi by 4, but we know that tan of pi by 4 is what, it is 1, and sec of pi by 4, remember sec of pi by 4, actually this is the reciprocal of cos of pi by 4, so the value of cos of pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, so the value of sec of pi by 4 is root 2, but there is a given square, and therefore sec square pi by 4 is equal to 2. So this is dy by dx at x is equal to pi by 4, dy by dx at x is equal to pi by 4 is equal to, this is what, 1, because tan of pi by 4 is 1, so 1 to the power 1 to the power 1, 1 to the power 1 to the power 1. Again this is tan of pi by 4 is what, 1, into sec square pi by 4 is what, 2, and this is 1 plus 2 times tan of pi by 4, tan of pi by 4. Okay, so this is tan of pi by 4 is what, again a 1. Okay sir, so is equal to, this is 1 to the power 1 to the power 1 is 1, multiplied by 1 is 1, so 2, this is 1 plus 2, so is equal to 1 into 2 is equal to 2, and 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, and this is 6. So the derivative of given function, derivative of a given function at x is equal to pi by 4 is what, 6. Okay, so this way you can find. So left of the examples, example number 4, 5, 6 that you have to solve at your home. So try all the examples. I am giving here homework in the next video lecture.